everyone, today we're playing Push. Oh my, sorry. We're playing Push the Button on Scratch, like right here. Look. Okay. Push the button for like the entire time. Don't know why. Okay. Grab? Is it? It's a grab. Yeah, it's like this is my favorite clicker game on Scratch. Like, there's no variable. It's actually called clicks, which I don't know what it's painted in. I don't know what it's made in. Okay, I'm clicking like real fast. After all that pain. Well, not really pain, just like the pain from Geometry Dash. I don't know why. Okay, 100, what can I buy? Stickman, okay, I don't, 80, make, no. I'm doing this one sounds like a good deal. Yeah, this one's like a very good deal. I'm gonna wear my headphones so I can like hear all the things. I'm gonna buy the boombox later. Or is it called the boombox? Yeah, it's called a boombox. Okay, let me get the boombox. Okay, why do I waste my money on the boombox? It's useless. I mean, I like the special effects. Oh, that's only counts as one. Pretty clicks, yay. Okay, whatever. I don't know what to say much, like, can you like shut up the boombox? I don't know. Yeah, this doesn't work. I need a stickman like real quick. I like those things. Oh, come on. I'm gonna get some more before I like get a stickman. I wish this guy added like awards and inventory stuff. Items. Okay, let me go list. 216, that's a lot. One time I actually broke the game. Like, ignore that. Just. Wait, what did I just buy? I bought one of this. Oh, my stickman was like giving me so much money while the like auto clicker is trash. Yay! I shouldn't have bought the auto clicker. Okay, I'm buying some more. Come on, auto clickers, I need some more to buy. Okay. Too much things. Oh! Get another one. Uh-oh, maxed out. Okay, sure, whatever. Wait, I just afforded 2. Whoa. Oh, 1,000, please. Yes, I got 1,000. I'm getting, whoa, I'm getting like a lot. Ugh. Ginormous thing. What is this? What do I buy to get that? I don't know what that is. Like, what is this? I'm not sure what it does. Okay, whatever. Already, oh yeah, already. Oh, maxed out. Okay, maxed out again. Put you over here. Figure out the names like of these guys. There's like many of them. Oh, wait, how'd you just jump up there, little dude? Don't jump up there. Don't you dare be afraid. No, don't jump, sir. Sirs. Or Siri. Okay, okay. I don't like this. This auto clicker is weird, but okay, there. Okay, just why is there these things? What is this? Did I grab? Okay, yeah, that did nothing. Oh well, I can buy like a lot of things here. I'm gonna like pull up this thing. I don't know what that is. The leader of. Whoa, I'm getting like so much money or clicks. Not money. Bottom. The clicks in the fastest. Okay, there's not a lot of upgrades, but like. Oh, maxed out. Wait, how? Oh, whoa. This one just like right there, just so you know. Okay, just get over there. Get over here. And you get over here. Okay, there. And I can keep pressing. Just as I was supposed to. Can I buy another? Okay, yeah, I can. Please give me a lot of subscribers. I don't know what to say. Please, like, get Scratch. This is a good game. And try to tell me in the comments what this thing is. Like, right here. This thing. This. What is this? And why do I have two of them? Tell me in the comments. Oh, well, almost 100 clicks. Well, not 100. Yay, robotic arm. I don't like this thing anymore. I just put it over here. Robotic arm is very fast, but I like the Stickman the most because robots suck. Oh, sorry to those who like robots, but I don't like robots. I like cute things, cats, and all those stuff. It's been like 8 minutes. I don't know how. I get like plenty of. I mean, look at that bar. Let's go. Oh, I can buy another robotarm. Thingamajig.com. Whatever. Okay, keyboards, can I type on the keyboards? No, I can't type. Okay, let me change the color. This color. Perfectly. I have too many things. I don't know how much robotic arms I can get. I'm sure all this money is coming from the robotic arm. I need more of this. I don't like the boombox. Need more upgrades. trying to get everything. Okay. Oh yes, another Bodega. Okay, it's right here. This is my army where I do something. And I call it an army because there's a lot of things. And they get like lots of clicks. I don't know how. World high score is 900. Well, not 900. I don't. That is a weird number. Is it a zillion? No, it's not a zillion, dum dum. I don't know. Billion? I don't know. I don't really know what that game, and I need like gaming time. Gaming time. Gaming time. Gaming time. There's nothing. Also, like, what is this right here? What is a black dot? Tell me what's that in the comments. And also, tell me what this is. What is this? I'm too curious to like wait. Put them together. I wanna like put them together. Made a sandwich. Here, I made a sandwich for you guys. But the only condition is that you cannot eat the sandwich. I don't know why. Okay, yeah, whatever. Oh, whoa. I did not see too. Man, there's like so much. Oh, maxed out. So this is what you can get. And what even is this? Do I like put it? Do I put it over here? Do I put it over here? Let me go read the things. Try to get the high score if you want. How to play. Click the button to get. Wait, duh. Menus. The future has arrived. What is the menus? Oh. Just space to play music. Okay, so let me hear the music. Ooh, spark. I actually like the boombox. I don't. Okay, I'm keeping this sound. I like it. Use XK to change off things. Oh! Whoa! Well, nuclear bombs. This game is no. Oh, Superman, yay! Dots. Oh, I knew. Cats. What do you mean sparkle? Oh, whoa. I'm not sure if I like the. I like the cat. Where's the cat? There. I mean, here, I have a cat. I'm not looking to see him. He's too cute. He's so cute. Okay. I have way too many things. Just let me see all this stuff. Use the M key to. Yeah, my cat's just meowing. I don't know. Stop it. You can pick up a position in my position to upgrade. From Half-Life. Okay, I know what this is. That's iron. 99% me. Got mouse spray from Griffith. Mouse spray. Oh. Okay, let me guys recall. Stop playing about that. There's cloud data. Fix clone. Okay, this is cool. Find the machines, yay! Okay, now it takes me a little laggy, but good. Okay. Good game, good. GG, this is the best clicker. Okay, I'm not doing that. I don't know what to say now. Yay, Pushins! Pushins! And well, it's been 16 minutes. I'll make like push the button, like episode 2. Okay, just look. Bye. Subscribe to me. Bye.